In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize finances and budgets in ClickUp. If you're looking for a simple way to manage your personal budget while keeping everything structured and easy to access, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through how to find and use templates in ClickUp so you can set up your own budgeting system with minimal effort. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once the page loads, log into your account so you can access your workspace. After signing in, make sure you are on your main dashboard. From here, look toward the top navigation bar and locate the inbox section to confirm you're in the right place within your workspace. Next, shift your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel that contains different sections and spaces within your account. From there, navigate to your list settings. This area allows you to adjust and customize how your lists function, giving you more control over how your tasks and projects are organized. Once you're inside the list settings, take a moment to scan the available options. What you're looking for is the Templates section. This is where ClickUp stores ready-made formats designed to help you quickly set up different types of workflows. Click on the Templates section to proceed. After opening it, select the option to browse templates. This will take you to a larger library filled with various template categories. These templates act as a foundation, helping you save time and maintain consistency when organizing your tasks. When you arrive in the template library, you can either scroll through the available options or use the search bar at the top of the page to find something specific. For this tutorial, type in personal budget. This will narrow down the results and display templates related to budgeting. Once you find the personal budget template, click on it to begin setting it up. This will add the template directly into your workspace, allowing you to start organizing your finances right away. You can customize it further based on your preferences, adjusting categories, adding details, or modifying the layout to better suit your needs. Using templates in ClickUp gives you a strong starting point while still offering the flexibility to adapt everything to your personal workflow. As you continue using templates, you'll find that managing your finances becomes more efficient and much easier to maintain over time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.